In this video, I will be showing you how to use OpenAI ChatGPT plugins. Let's get started. First, I open a new tab in my browser and click on the address bar. I start typing the URL for ChatGPT's features page, choosing the specific link for business integrations and apps. Once the page loads, I scroll down to look at the layout and information provided about integrations. Then, I scroll back up toward the top of the page. Here, I locate and click on the Add Apps button. This takes me directly into the ChatGPT workspace where different applications are displayed. I scroll down past the featured Canva and Photoshop cards to see categories like lifestyle and productivity. I navigate through the listed apps and settle on Canva. I hover over it and click on the option. This opens the Canva integration page, which details what the tool can do, such as creating social media posts or presentation materials based on your chat. Next, I click the Connect button in the upper right corner. A pop-up panel appears asking to add Canva to ChatGPT, so I click on the Sign In with Canva button. A new browser tab opens to handle the login process. I select Continue with Google to authenticate my account. A small window appears showing it is verifying my information, and I select my Google account profile to proceed. Once verified, the page updates to display the permission screen for the Canva AI connector. I review the listed access capabilities, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and click the Allow button. The screen immediately shows that the authorization was successful and redirects me back to the application. After a brief loading moment, the interface returns to the Canva app section within ChatGPT, showing a green confirmation message at the top stating that Canva is now connected. The button in the upper right corner has also changed to Start Chat, which I click. This opens a fresh conversation window with the Canva logo active in the prompt area. I click inside the text input box and type my prompt in all capital letters: design a poster for a school event. Then, I click the arrow button to send the request. ChatGPT begins processing the command, showing loading text that it is searching Canva templates and generating options, which can take up to a minute. Once ready, ChatGPT outputs a message stating it created several school event poster design options for me, showing 4 interactive design thumbnails. I scroll down to read the full text response, which notes that I can open and customize any of them in Canva. It also mentions I can provide specific details like event name, venue, or preferred colors for a more customized version. To review the creations, I click on the first poster layout to open a larger view. I close that preview and click on the second, more colorful option to examine it. I close that one as well and select the third design template, which features a deep blue theme. Finally, I close the third option and open the fourth template to check its design. After looking through all the options, I close the last preview window and scroll back down to the text area to complete my workflow. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.